Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today I'm so excited to share this with you on how to attract butterflies to your garden. So here is a beautiful eastern yellow swallowtail butterfly, and I highly recommend to plant or grow flowering plants that has flat petals so that the butterfly can really get that nectar out of it. Butterflies like red, yellow, pink, orange, and white flowers, and you can try planting zinnia. I have mixture of small or dwarf and big zinnia here, marigolds, and you can mix it with your vegetable garden that blooms as well, like gourds. And so far, butterflies have a short lifespan, only like about 2 to 3 weeks. So giving them some flowers or providing them nectars available in your flowers is really very helpful and great, and they love really a sunny garden. So most of the time here in my garden, when I go out, I like early to late morning and then in afternoon around like 3 o'clock, around that they love to flutter and get some pollen, and they are really very relaxing to watch. So they really enjoy sunny areas that have lots of flowers and yards, flowers or different kinds of flowers you grow or plant in your garden. The different butterflies you can attract, even moths. So I have different kinds of butterflies here in my garden, and every day they really come around and are very nice to look at. And not only butterflies love flowers just because they get nectar, they are also very helpful creatures that helps pollinate the flowers. So what happens is that when they start pollinating, that flower will turn into seed, and you can harvest them to plant again for the next season. So really, in a big picture, they will give us more seeds and more fruit or vegetables or flowers to harvest in the future. So they really are very beneficial as insect and a part of the ecosystem. And butterflies are really very fun to watch, and it's very relaxing, especially if you use your garden for healing. And it's a way also to provide and care for nature. When you start to garden, you will see this you will attract different type of insects that will go into your garden, and it's kind of like a give and take. It is because you provide them for nectar, you planted or grow flowers, and then in return they give you seeds that you can produce more fruit or vegetables for your family or for yourself as well. And it is very therapeutic. For example, if you have a small backyard garden and you don't want to plant around so much vegetables, it's more on a flower garden or provide wildflower garden, it is really very amazing. These little creatures, even though they have a small or short lifespan, they are really very beneficial, and they use that lifespan to help others like gardeners pollinating their beautiful flowers. Really, butterflies, similar with bees, they love to pollinate. So if you have not watched yet my previous video on how to attract bees to your garden, you might want to check it out later. So this is really very nice. If you usually go out in your garden and visit them, you will see lots of butterflies, especially in the morning and afternoon, and they're really very nice to look at. I cannot stress so much about it, and it is nice to have different types of butterflies fluttering around your garden. It means you have a really good ecosystem, and they love not so very neat garden. They also like tall grasses, kind of like in the wild. So it's kind of like an extension of nature in the forest or in the meadow. So yes, zinnia, these are one of the favorite flowers you can plant around your garden. Look at this, it's like I have butterfly and bees, the same flower. So what is your favorite type of butterflies or flowers that you like to grow in your garden? I have also sunflower here, but most of the time bees are the one who really pollinate them. And as you can see, guys, here's the up close, is that their tongue is really long. So if you have shallow or deep flowers, that's great as well. But when the flower is kind of upright, by creating an environment for your butterflies or bees or really for any pollinators is really amazing, because they're very helpful. Butterflies as well as moths, bees, and other really small creatures that consist and composed and help with the ecosystem is really amazing, because by just planting different types of flowers and plants that are friendly for pollinators and using organic fertilizer or pesticide will help you attract beneficial pollinators like butterflies, bees, and other insects as well. So by helping them and providing nectar or flowers or food for them, in return they will going to help you as well, and the environment to give you more seed, more harvest, more bountiful seeds that you can plant in the future, as well as promoting health in our environment. You're helping every single creature that thrives in your garden or outside of your garden. So there you go, guys. That's how to attract butterflies in your garden. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you know anyone who will mistake, and if you find it helpful, please share it or comment down below if what ways you can help attract butterflies. If you have any suggestion or ideas, please comment down below. Thank you for watching, and if you want to watch more videos, I have a whole playlist there for you. Let's check it out, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.